Everyone wants massive change overnight. The perfect body, flawless workflow, total control. Stickman stares at his impossibly long to-do list, sighing, convinced that if he doesn't do everything perfectly today, he's failing. But here's the reality. Transformation isn't born from 100% effort all at once. It's built from tiny, consistent improvements. Just 1% every day. The 1% reset is deceptively simple. It doesn't require perfect routines, endless energy, or heroic discipline. You only need to be slightly better than yesterday. 10 push-ups instead of 9, responding to 1 email instead of avoiding 10, adding 1 extra step to a workflow, just a tiny nudge forward. Stickman experiments. He wakes up and thinks, I don't have time for a full workout, so I'll just do 1 push-up. 1 push-up. Not impressive, not heroic, but it's a start. And that 1 push-up leads to 2, then 3. Momentum begins quietly, almost unnoticed. Small actions accumulate faster than waiting for a perfect day ever could. It works in every part of life. Drinking an extra glass of water, writing 1 paragraph, reading a single page. Each small improvement is a micro deposit into your life bank. Stickman laughs at himself for imagining that a single day could make or break his goals. Consistency, not intensity, wins the game. Here's the secret. Micro changes compound like interest. 1% today becomes 37% in a year. That tiny step you ignored this morning is the difference between standing still and moving forward. Stickman marks progress in small increments. Sticky notes lining his wall like trophies of subtle victories. No dramatic leaps, no all-or-nothing mindset. Just small wins stacking into meaningful change. Consistency matters more than perfection. Some days, Stickman misses a step, skips the page, or forgets the push-up. That's fine. 1% is forgiving. You reset tomorrow. The key is returning without guilt, without waiting for ideal conditions. The 1% reset isn't about avoiding mistakes. It's about relentless, gentle forward motion. Humor sneaks in too. Stickman spills coffee on his notes, forgets to water the tiny plant he's growing, and still marks it as a micro success. I showed up. That counts. Every small act of progress, no matter how imperfect, feeds the momentum. It's the little wins that build unshakable confidence over time. By the end of the week, Stickman reflects. 1 small improvement each day doesn't feel like much, but looking back, the difference is obvious. Tasks feel lighter, energy feels higher, and the once daunting list now looks manageable. Micro changes compound quietly, invisibly, but powerfully. The 1% reset is a mindset shift. Forget heroic bursts, marathon sessions, and all-in energy. Focus on tiny, repeatable actions. Focus on showing up. Focus on improvement, not perfection. Each day is a chance to reset, to do slightly better, slightly smarter, slightly more consistent than yesterday. Final line. Don't aim for 100% every day. Aim for 1%. The micro change you make today becomes the transformation you see tomorrow.